Hello everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log in to Remitbee on your PC step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to remitbee.com. At the top right corner of the home page, click on the Login button. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the password field. If you want, you can check the Remember Me box to stay logged in on this device. Then, click the Login button below. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your Remitbee account dashboard. In case you forgot your password, click Forgot Password to reset it via email. That's it. You're now logged in to Remitbee on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.